Well, hey, it's snowing out, so you know me, I'm gonna make one of my driving around videos. Hope you enjoy it. See ya. All right, folks, so we're starting off on my road. We got some snow. It's a little greasy. Seatbelt. And I just spilled my coffee all over me. So we're gonna go into Newport and get some gas. Oh, you guys went for a ride. Sorry about that. This road is all frosties. So we've probably had, I'm saying myself that this is the best winter we've had in a while as far as snow. You gotta be kidding. Well, it's an adventure. It's always an adventure. That's how bumpy the road is because of the frosties. So I had a bunch of videos come out, ice fishing, we went to a Belgrade Derby, caught some fish, the kids had fun, didn't win the Derby. Then I posted a short video and one of the fish was still kicking. I'm sure the people that brought it in thought they had it dead, but them pike are pretty tough. But everybody's going on about it. Should kill the fish. Well, you know, for one, it's not my fish. It's somebody else's fish. It's on the leaderboard. I'm not gonna go up there and start bashing on someone's fish. So if they didn't kill it, I don't know what to tell you. And then so many people are like, you shouldn't kill those big pike. Well, it's a derby. I mean, and it was cold. There ain't no way to frickin' take the fish out of the water, bring it all the way up to the weigh station, and then frickin' bring it back up and let it go. It's a big fish, especially with the cold. It's just too difficult. And we go for weight, not for size, so it is what it is. So yeah, the roads are really greasy. It's snowing, another snowstorm, and I like to record for you guys. But now I'm just gonna drop you on a time lapse on my way into Newport, and we'll see if there's any accidents or anything like that. I will take it off time lapse and we'll get them on video. So. All right, we'll see you at the next cool thing. We are coming into the town of Newport. Route 2 is pretty much clear, but we'll let you get some footage in Newport. I am going into Newport to get fuel and to return some bottles. A little bit of pocket cash, you know. Oh, and I dropped it again. Boy, this is going to be a great video. But yeah, this is the life of living in Maine. That squeaky noise in the back is my buddy heaters rubbing together. Hoping to get up and do some more ice fishing here soon. But along with doing all the videos, I obviously have a life and I have to take care of stuff around the house. Shovel snow, plow snow, you know. So here we are, the great town of Newport. Some days it's nice in Newport. I'm going to take a different way home. So you guys can get that on video too. Too much craziness going on today. I guess they were on the ball with this storm. I appreciate everybody watching. We're almost to 16,000 subscribers, so if you're watching this and you like the video and you're going to subscribe to it, you know, tell your friends and stuff to go and watch my other videos. There's something for everybody. To get to 16,000 would be great. And then I'm going to do a giveaway, so it should be fun. And there's lots of different ways you can support my channel. First one's just by watching and hitting that like button. And you can also drop super chats, and you can go to my store and you can buy stuff in there. You can do whatever you want. I appreciate everybody and my loyal subscribers that are always commenting, and going right there, buddy. Can't freaking pick you up. All right, we're here at the Redemption, so I'm going to go in and cash in some bottles, and we'll see you guys in a bit. GoPro, start time lapse. What will we see on this road? This road is super bumpy. Feel free to chat, guys. Let me know what's going on with you today. Yeah, like I said, folks, if I get to 16,000 subscribers, I'm gonna have a wicked awesome giveaway going around. And you don't have to pay anything. All you have to do is come into the live, and I'll do a drawing. And if you want to be a part of it, you gotta do that, and then I'll give out my email, and then you can email me and with your address, and then I will send you your prize. But you gotta be subscribed in order to be a part of it. So you don't miss it when I do it. But yes, this is my road. I don't think they got the snowmobile trail open here. It used to go right through there, but it looks like people have been using it, but the sign's still there saying got the groceries in the house yesterday. Rocket Ranger Rebel, welcome. Thanks for stopping in. Just taking a little spin, like I said. Well, I figured I'd bring you guys along. I got a lot more interesting videos coming up soon, so like I said, if you haven't subscribed and you ain't watched none of my other videos, go check them out, because I got a lot of videos. I've been doing this since 2019. I've gone on a lot of exciting fishing trips and treasure hunting adventures on the coast of Maine. Found 200-year-old coins, I found bayonets, and I found powder flasks, I found old porcelain signs, all kinds of stuff. Don't forget, folks, hit that like button. I know I keep going on about that, but I just can't understand why people don't. Take the time to watch somebody's video. It's the least you can do. But I do random live videos, and you never know where I'll be next. You never know what I'll be doing. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do a live video at some point while I'm fishing, so that will be interesting. I know I just saw a big giant plow truck. Oh, this wasn't a plow truck. It was the garbage truck. This road is iffy. I've metal detected that yard. Spent a lot of my younger life up to that place. But alright, folks, I appreciate everybody. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Like I said, like and subscribe. Go watch my other videos. And yeah, help me get to 16,000 subscribers. I appreciate you. And we'll see you next time. Keep on naturing. Peace. All right, folks, we're back at my house. I tried to do a time lapse on the way back, but I think I actually recorded the whole thing. But I was doing a live video too at the same time. I know you shouldn't drive and record, but I wanted to show everybody what was going on. So anyways, now I'm gonna put some sand on my driveway, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little trip. I just ain't doing much today. I got a bunch of videos coming out soon. So stay tuned for those. Make sure you like and subscribe. Help me get to 16,000 subscribers. I'm like maybe 20 something subscribers away. So yeah, see you next time. Peace.